I'm at Fieldstone Lane in Hermon. This development here has 4 units in it. Today we're going to look at 1005 unit number 13. And these are 2-bedroom, 2-bath units with a full basement. As you walk in, it's a very large open concept here. You've got some tile right in the entryway. And a door for outerwear. The previous tenant did just move out. Maintenance has been doing some work in here, and we need to get our cleaner in to do a final clean. So it has a little bit of dirt in here that needs to be cleaned up. Kitchen, again, very open concept. You've got your dishwasher there. Plenty of cupboard space. You have a 5-burner stove, your fridge, and your microwave. And this is a great little area for dining room. It does have the door that walks out into the backyard. Looks like the previous tenant had one of these little bug nets there. So this is a great little place to put patio furniture. Have a grill out here. Fieldstone, we're literally 10 minutes to Bangor. Super close, convenient location, but you do feel like you're out here in the country. You do have that full basement, so that gives you plenty of room for storage down here. And this is where your washer dryer hookup is as well back here. So these basements, super dry, very nice and cool in the summertime. We do recommend that you run a dehumidifier, basically for a few months out of the summertime at least, just because we have a few hot and humid days in Maine, not many. Take a look upstairs and we have the 2 bedrooms and the 2 full baths. So you have carpeting going up the stairs. Right here you've got a little linen closet. A bathroom right here. And then this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but it's still good size. You could put a king in here, but queen would definitely be better. Closet right here. Very deep closet too. It goes way far back in. And then you've got the master bedroom suite over here. And this room is huge. Definitely could put a king size set in here. And you have the double closets. And they do go all the way through. So again, plenty of closet space, plenty of storage. You do have 2 zones of heat. So you have a control up here, and you have one downstairs if you want it cooler. And then this is the master bathroom. And like I said, it's kind of like a little suite. You close the door, and the other bathroom would be probably used for guests or whoever has that bedroom over there. So these units, the owner pays for your heat, water, sewer, lawn care, and snow plowing. The only thing you're going to pay here is your electricity. So if you are interested in the unit at Fieldstone Lane, you can go to our website. It's rentbangor.com. Click on that green box that says submit online application. Fill that out, and we will reach out to you.